Atmospheric pressure. Around the world, all living and non-living things are affected by atmospheric pressure. From hungry lion stalking the ground in search of his next meal, to the birds flying through the air skillfully navigating away to the sky to avoid being caught. Atmospheric pressure acts on everything. It affects cold-blooded reptiles to live in and around the water and warm-blooded feathered birds. Atmospheric pressure affects human beings too. It acts all the times, wherever we go, whatever we do, however we do it. Atmospheric pressure is the force that pushes against any surface as a result of the air above it. The atmospheric pressure at the surface is known as 1 atmosphere. This is the pressure at sea level of our planet. The pressure at sea level is 1 kilogram per square centimeter. This may sound like a high amount, but because we have air inside our bodies too, it evens out the atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure changes as we go higher. At high altitude, there is less force pushing down the air. As a result, there are fewer molecules and atmospheric pressure is low. When you're flying in an aeroplane, the usual balance between the inside and outside your body changes. Rising higher, there are fewer air molecules outside and the atmospheric pressure is lower. The popular experience is the result of your body adjusting to the imbalance that results. As we move upwards through the atmosphere, weight of the air above becomes less and thus decreases atmospheric pressure. Mountain climbers have to be careful when they climb higher. They breathe in less oxygen as there are fewer molecules in the air at higher altitude. Climbers take oxygen cylinders with them so that they can breathe easily.